If there's nothing left at the end of the month, an emergency fund can feel like advice for people who don't actually need one. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time watching people skip this entirely because they think it has to start big. Here's the mistake. Most advice says save 3 to 6 months of expenses, which sounds impossible when you're already stretched thin, so people don't start at all. That's the wrong first target. The real first target is $10 a week. Not because $10 will save you in a crisis, but because it proves something more important, that you can do this without breaking your budget. Keep it in a separate account, not linked to your everyday spending, boring on purpose, but still reachable within a day or two if you actually need it. Now you might be thinking, $10 a week won't matter. Here's what most people miss. The amount isn't the point yet, the habit is. Once the automatic transfer is running without you thinking about it, raising it later is easy. Starting it in the first place is the actual hard part. So here's your one step. Set up a $10 automatic transfer this week into an account you don't touch day to day. Increase it later once it's routine. This content is for educational purposes only and isn't personalized financial advice, so weigh it against your own income and expenses. If this made starting feel more possible, subscribe. There's a lot more of this coming.